Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be covering the topic on the Xiaomi Mi 11 device, which is going to be launched very soon, friends. And the specifications and everything got out, and the phone is available even to purchase as well. If I get some time to buy this phone, I'll definitely buy this device Mi 11. And in this video, I'll try to cover all the specifications related to this smartphone Mi 11 device. So let's see, friends, what are the things which are interesting and what are the specifications which I particularly like in this phone. I'll try to talk about everything in this device, so make sure to watch till end of the video to get to know more details about this phone. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends, SciTech Guru, and for more videos on the mobile phones and playlist, so try to check the links in description. So let's get started, friends. The first main key highlight point for the Mi 11 is that having the Snapdragon 888 processor, as you can see. So this is going to be a first phone, maybe if it get released with the Snapdragon 888 processor. So that's a really good top high-end processor in the 2021 it's going to be. And the Antutu benchmark scores also is really good, close to 7 lakhs of Antutu benchmark score. I'll try to do a video on that topic separately, so make sure to stay tuned. And this is the first interesting topic about this device. The processor is only the key highlight point. There's so many other highlight points in this device, so this is the first thing which I like particularly in this phone. So next is that let me talk about the one by one topic, starting with the build quality and the body. The phone is of 196 grams and the screen size is of 6.8 inches. So for 6.8 inches, so 196 grams is not that too heavy, I would say, definitely. So for the big screen, so very little bit kind of weight, that's a really good advantage. And you do have the glass and the leather option as well. There are different variants available in this version. So that's the weight thing we did cover. And next is let's talk about the display. The display is of 2K resolution, so not the 1080 resolution. This is a 2K resolution, friends. So 6.8 inches, and the display is gonna be same like this OnePlus 80 only, so with the punch hole like this, and there will be curved edges on both the directions on both sides of the device. So 6.8 inches, so huge screen and 2K resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. So in the display segment, I'm particularly interested in two topics. So 120 Hz refresh rate and the AMOLED, and having the 2K resolution, and even having the bigger screen as well. So that's also another interesting point for this mobile phone. And the Gorilla Glass is of Gorilla Glass Victex. So maybe this is the first phone which is coming with this kind of different kind of technology with the Gorilla Glass production. So we did cover the topic on the Snapdragon 888 processor, and as I said, the Snapdragon 888 processor is the beast processor, friends. Definitely, if I get hands on, I'll try to do more videos on that device. And next is there are various variants for the RAM. So starting with the 8 GB is a minimum basic RAM variant and goes up to 12 GB of RAM and UFS 3.1 storage speed. So that's also a good advantage. So in terms of the camera, so 108 megapixel lens, and which can record up to 8K, 24 and 30 FPS. So 8K recording is there in this phone. So that's a really good advantage here in the 8K recording. And 20 megapixel front camera, that's a normal, and there is no 4K recording with the front camera. So that is also a drawback here. And dual stereo speaker setup, that's a good thing. So dual speaker setup. And next is a battery is of 4600 mAh of battery, and fast charging is also supported, 55 watt fast charging, and it takes about 45 minutes to charge, as you can see, for the battery size of 4600 mAh of battery. And the fast wireless charging, so wireless charging is also there, friends. 50 watt wireless charging, that's a really as a future proof option. It's a good device, I would say. But overall, friends, for this phone, the main highlight points are the two things like processor and the 120 Hz AMOLED panel with the curved edges and 2K resolution display. That's another good advantage, and lightweight as well. So these are overall quick impressions about this Mi 11, so which is going to launch very soon in January. And for more this kind of interesting updates on this device, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, and do let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts about this device, about the Xiaomi Mi 11 smartphone. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.